What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Down there. Now then. So, this was on a what's in the box thing. I opened it up. And when I compared it next to the Daffy, it really didn't look like what it should. Well, luckily I found a bunny. And now you can see what I was talking about in the previous video. That is a really cool color stem. But when you do look at the stem, there is no made-in country, so this was a European release only dispenser. It's really cool because it's on the Halo card. This white part here, this is referred to as a Halo card because it makes it look like the dispenser has a shiny halo on its head. Not a Halo card, because it does not make the dispenser look like it has a shiny little halo around it, like it does here. Don't forget, check your your candies. If they're soft, it's gonna end up like something like that. But these are good candies here, as you can see. Oh, they blacked it out. They did not want you to know that information. Why? Is that the information they don't want you to know? That's something. I mean, they printed it there. See the printing there? That's really cool. Oh, they did it up here too. Wait a minute. Wow, this is really cool. This dispenser on card just got super cooler. So, I mean, why else would there be a black box here? I mean, it's... Oh, it says caramel. You probably can't see it through here, but I can see it on my end. It says caramel. And then down here at the bottom, it's some made by information. That's really cool. Glad I decided to do this follow-up video. Constantly learning, because we do not know everything about PEZ. Even I learned from these videos. I just learned from these videos. So cool. And then when we look at the patent number on this one here, it has the made-in country. Focus. It's a Yugo 39. And this one is a 49 no country. Bet you don't have this in your collection. And now that you know it comes on card, similar to this one, make sure you add them. But they have to have these distinguishing markings of no made-in country. That's European release only. So until next time...